Hi everyone, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. Thank you so much for logging on and joining us today. I have a very exciting day of food as per usual. I'm really excited today actually because I'm going to be having something for dinner that I've never had before in my life, so I'm really excited to try it, and it is a risotto, which I'm really excited about. It's kind of a cross between a risotto and a paella. I don't really know the difference, but I could only find either risotto or paella rice, but I'm using a risotto or paella recipe, so just the rice is going to be different, but I'm sure it's quite similar, so we'll see. Anyone who comes from the country that paellas come from, or risottos, and I've completely butchered the idea, I'm so sorry. But yeah, that is the plan. That is what's happening today. So some kind of chicken dish. I'm really excited. I've already had my breakfast. I actually had jam on toast this morning, which was a nice change. So I'll insert that now so you guys can see. So this morning I'm going to go for a really simple breakfast, a jam on toast. It's not something I have often, but I quite fancied it today because I like the mixture of something sweet with something quite savoury. I use this one from Aldi. It is a conserve and it's really nice and really affordable. 1 point per serving. A serving is 10 grams, which is probably about what I would spread on my toast if I'm honest. I don't kind of have a very thick layer. That's just me personally. I don't track my butter, and I'm also tracking one of these seeded slice loaf. Slice of that's more than enough for me, and that is a grand total of 4 points. So altogether 5 points for breakfast, and I'm going to team it with a banana. So very simple breakfast. Obviously the banana is free in point value. My toast is it 5 points? Yeah, 1 point for the jam and 4 points for the slice of bread. I don't track my butter as I mentioned, and I also have a cup of coffee here. And now it's lunchtime. So basically last night I cooked those stuffed peppers that you saw in my last What I Eat in a Day, and I actually had quite a lot of the sauce behind, like that was left over. So I have a portion of that for my lunch, and is there anything better than leftovers? I don't think there is. I'm so excited. I'm basically just going to eat the sauce. I might put a bit of cheese on, I may not. I'll see how I feel when I get downstairs, but I'm so excited about that because they were so delicious and such a wonderful change. If you've not seen that video, I'll link it above somewhere, but if you like yourself a good stuffed pepper, you have to check that out. It was such a good one. So yeah, it should be a great day. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and comment down below. Let me know if you want me to do more of these, because it does let me know if you guys like to see them still. So do comment, do not be a silent viewer. Say hey, I want to hear from you, and let's go and eat. Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm going to be having this leftover dish of sauce that I made for my stuffed peppers last night. It's basically just a combination of mincemeat, onions, lentils, mushrooms, and just all of that good stuff. And these little Tupperware with the lid dishes are so handy. I get mine from Home Bargains, and they're so helpful for meal planning because you can store it in these. You can also freeze them, and also they go straight into the microwave, so they save on the washing up as well. I get them for like $2.99 from Home Bargains, so if you are looking for something similar, it's definitely something I recommend you guys checking out. So when I made the stuffed peppers last night, I tracked it, and I'm going to track this full dish of sauce at 4 points. It's nowhere near going to be that amount, to be honest with you, but I'm going to err on the side of caution because I'm not 100% sure with it being leftovers. I'm not going to have any cheese with it because I don't feel the need to. I've had a lot of cheese this week, so yeah, 4 points for lunch. And it's, again, a great thing about meal planning is that you can have some the next day, which is always a winner, especially when you're busy today like I am. If you're wondering where I would track things that aren't officially on the app, you press the plus sign on the homepage, and then you go to this little clock here, which is the quick add, and then you can simply type in lunch and then guess your point value, or if you know it, don't guess it if you know it, but obviously I'm guessing, so I'm just going to do it as for deduct itself off of my dailies, and it's just a great way to track without knowing the official quantity that you're tracking. Now I just said about the washing up, but this bowl's quite warm now, so I'm actually going to transfer it into this one. To be honest with you, this sauce is something I could also eat cold, and you know what else it'd be great with? Pizza bread, nachos, you know, a bit of cream cheese in the middle would be really nice, but for me, I'm just gonna have it as it is, and it's a massive bowl, so it's gonna be really filling for me and definitely tide me over till dinner later on. I can honestly say I am the happiest when I'm eating leftovers. I feel like there's nothing better. So good. So it's now dinner time, and this is the recipe that we're going to be having. This is the chicken and vegetable paella. The recipe calls for skinless chicken breast. I also have some risotto rice. I couldn't find paella rice, but I've heard that the only difference is that paella rice is slightly creamier, so I'm hoping that this will do just as well. A tin of chopped tomatoes, a lemon, some fresh thyme, chicken stock, a carrot. I've added these mushrooms. They're free obviously because they're vegetables, but the recipe didn't call for those. I also have a red onion and a pepper as well. See, that is 8 points per serving, so I'm going to track that. So it's much later in the evening now. Sorry about the mag hair, it's had to go up, but yeah, that is it from me. I'm gonna sign off here. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to see more what I eat in a day from me, and comment down below, lets me know whether to film more for you guys, and I will see you in my next one.